thanks guys for helping us reach 100,000 subscribers right here on YouTube, and that's what I'm celebrating today. It's been an exciting journey. I gotta tell you, it's been a lot of work. A lot of YouTubers will tell you the first 100,000 are the hardest. It's just such a huge milestone to hit here on YouTube, and I'm really excited. Thanks guys for coming along with me on this journey. So what I want to do now is I'm just going to roll a little bit of video and show you a few highlights over the years. Get to this stuff. Suddenly I don't feel like I'm going overboard with my gear anymore. Oh my god! Is that it? Look at it! Oh my god! This is totality! Oh my god! Woo! Driving on this very rough piece of road. By the way, this is Russell. This is Russell Brown.
Oh look! You just turned on the stabilizer.
That was bobblehead, Russell.
Now let's turn the stabilizer back off again.
So the goal here is to not get killed as we cross the road. There's a lot of traffic. That's super nice. That's cool. So you can kind of. They make the screen. Here's the thing. I got the dongles. I mean, I got every dongle known to man like that. All right, feels good.
There's very seldom ones that we're experiencing that are having activation issues.
Very smooth, very, very smooth firmware bit. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pop this in. Right there, see that seagull? He just took down my spark.
Hi Mom, I'm Chase, how are you? Welcome to Creative Live, that's Chelsea.
Hey, how's it going? Don't mind this guy.
Basically, suddenly flying into you.
Nice. Are you gonna let me take the control?
Heck yeah! Yeah, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not really finished Creative Live. That was great. I just. Nice.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.
I'm so bad.
This is so funny. Like, here we are, we're gonna do something edgy with you, and then you're like the
I know.
happiest person in the world. You know?
Did I like lift a foot up for like intensity?
Sure. That's awesome. I do feel good.
It feels too designed.
Come on. I don't know if we can make it right now. I'm getting out of here. It's 11:52. Really do anything.
Just had to show up.
Just had to show up. So anyway. It's a wrap. Time to go home.
We both wanted to sabotage, and it's like that song is like so expensive, we couldn't get it. But you know.
Hey, welcome to Vegas. There's pizza.
Pizza. Camera right now.
You gotta get in the middle. Run!
Quick! So you're not happy with it? Oh, that phone. I gotta tell you though, we're just getting started. I've got some super cool things coming up and I'm very excited. I feel like super motivated right now to just kind of push this channel through the stratosphere. So alright guys, we've got more tutorials coming, got more tech reviews, got more trips and vlogs, and I'm never gonna take for granted your guys' support because I know it's not about me. I'm just trying to, you know, share what I love doing and just kind of share that with you guys. But it's your support that enables me to do this every week and keep doing this. So thanks guys, I really, really appreciate your support and everything you've done actually on PhotoshopCAFE since, you know, the year 2000 when I first started with PhotoshopCAFE.com. And it's because of you guys, it's growing and it's, you know, just, it's a really exciting journey. But the best is yet to come, so stick around. Check out what we've got coming this year. If you're not part of the Cafe crew, hit the subscribe button, comment, and smash that like button into dust. Until next time, I'll see you at the cafe. But anyway, guys, whoa, hang on. My mentor's there. Hey, cafe. I can't even see myself in here.